Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Cultivate curiosity and skepticism every day by asking clear questions about facts. Read widely across topics and note contradictions you observe in reporting. Practice writing for 1 hour daily to sharpen clarity and speed and build discipline. Study journalistic ethics and commit to transparency about sources and errors with your audience. Confirm key claims with at least 2 reliable sources before publishing and document why each source is credible. Balance empathy for subjects with firmness, chasing truth in uncomfortable places. Record interviews and take verbatim notes to preserve accuracy and quotes. Begin with open questions, then narrow with closed questions to clarify specific details. Verify numbers and dates by cross-checking documents, public records, and databases. Track data with simple spreadsheets using dates, figures, and source names for quick retrieval. Observe scene details like light, sounds, and weather to enrich reporting and convey context. When dealing with sensitive topics, explain your approach to sources and protect vulnerable identities when necessary. Publish consistently. Aim for 1 strong piece every 2 weeks to build momentum. Pitch stories widely to local outlets, niche journals, and online platforms to increase reach. Seek feedback from editors and mentors and revise 3 times before finalizing a piece. Learn multimedia skills by shooting photos, editing audio, and publishing with basic CMS abilities to broaden your opportunities. Network by emailing 5 relevant contacts weekly and attending 1 event per month to grow professional relationships.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.